Okay guys, here we go. So we are going to do the Nord 2 and the Nord 4. Okay, in store we have the Nord 2 in all available colors, but the Nord 4 we've only got in black and then this marble. Okay, so we'll start with the Nord 2, and the reason I'm doing these tonight guys is because number one, I am sick of having to explain this pod system to you, so hopefully you'll be able to pick it up now. All right, and then this also got the most requests. Get rid of that. Now, you all know what they look like. You know, they're a fan favorite, absolutely gorgeous device. I really like the gold. It's not the biggest seller with you guys, but I don't know, it's just absolutely stunning. All right, so then we come to the pod systems. Now look, I cannot explain this enough. All right, you see the way this one says Nord, okay, that means it takes a Nord coil. And then this one says RPM, and that means it takes an RPM coil. You guys have a terrible habit of coming in and saying, can I have a Nord coil? And then when we ask you which one, you have no fucking idea. It wrecks my skull, people. It cannot be that hard to know which coil it takes. All right, so then we'll go, that's the Nord one there. Okay, it's got the white band. I think the ones we sell in store actually have a black band around them. All right, but that's the same thing. And another thing I've noticed, when you guys are pushing in the coils, you always tend to push in from here. You see this white part? I don't know if you can see it. You see that there? That's actually like a band, all right? And when you push in like that, you dislodge that band, and that's why you get a lot of leakages. Try and stick to the rims when you're pushing in, all right? Try and stick just like that. That way you won't get as much leakage. And then this is the RPM one, okay? So you've got the red band, and yeah, that's it. So that is the Nord 2. Now it's the same concept for the Nord 4, all right? It's just a slightly bigger, slightly more powerful device. So we will go through it now. Let me put this one away. Or will I use it? No, I'll put it away. Ugh. Now, the price of that one, I believe, is €35, maybe €40. And then this one, I think, is €5 extra. Okay. So this is the Nord 4. It's actually a really nice color, this marble is. I think personally I might just prefer the straight up black. But again, it's still really nice. You know, you've got your screens here. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Turn it on there now. You know, you can change your wattage, lock the power, whatever it is. You got your airflow here, it's pretty nice. And then you have the pods. Now, we're going to go through this again, all right? Just for you simple people out there. Okay, you see these? This one here says RPM 2. So that means this pod takes an RPM 2 coil, okay? This one says RPM. Can you guess what that means? I'm sure you can. All right, so try and learn that, people. Or even bring in your device. You can take off the pod and we can have a look for you. But if you come in and you don't have any idea which one it is and you don't have your device with you, we cannot help you. Like, I can't explain how many times a day this thing happens. All right, so we'll go through a little bit of thing on the box, right? The max power this thing can put out is 80 watts, which is impressive, all right? You have your, what is it, airflow control, whatever you want to call it. So you do, it's got a 2000 milliampere, is that how you say that? Battery in it. It's got a 4.5 mil pod, which is quite impressive, and the Type-C charger. Now, the Type-C chargers are good because they're super fast charging charger, okay? And then we'll just go through real quickly what the Nord 2 says on the box. Nord 2. Alright, so yeah, that's just about the coils. Bang, bang. This one has a 1500 milliampere battery in it, so it's not as powerful, and it only goes up to 40 watts. So for the extra fiber, guys, you're better off going for this. But look, if you want that kind of color, and you're not too fussed about like the strength of a device, you know what I mean? I wouldn't be too fussed about that, to be honest with you. I'm pretty happy with the ones I have. I'm using the G-Priv and stuff at the minute on 25 watts. But if you're one of those people that like really big clouds and stuff like that, always go for the stronger one. All right, thank you very much.